Today we're giving this front end a bold new look by installing the TRD Pro Style Grille insert from KOK Auto Parts. It's a budget-friendly way to give your truck that aggressive look without a full grille swap. So let's get started. In the box, you're going to get the grille insert, letters. If you order the amber lights, you're going to get those and some wiring and some hardware. In this video, I am changing the surround from a chrome surround to a gloss black one. So I'll show you how to remove the insert, install it with the new surround, and remove the hood bulge. To remove the hood bulge, there should be 3 bolts in the top, one on the left, one in the middle, and one on the right. Try and remove those with a 10mm socket. The best way to pull them out is to lower the hood so that it hits the safety latch, and then pull up on the front of the hood until you hear the clip snap off, and then pull straight out. Replacing the insert is pretty easy. On the back of the grille, you've got 2 screws on either side. Go ahead and unscrew those, and then all around the grille, you're going to see these clips. Carefully use a trim removal tool to push the clips back, and then slowly take apart the grille from the surround, being careful not to break any clips. Take your time with this process. You really don't want to break any of these clips. Now with the new grille insert, I opted for the black Toyota lettering. So flip the grille upside down and place the letters in the correct order. Then secure them to the back with the provided screws.
Next, clip the insert to the surround, being careful not to break any of the clips again, and then fasten it to the surround with 2 screws on each side.
Now, I ordered the grille with the amber lights, so I'm going to install those as well. There are 3 spots close to the top of the grille that are evenly spaced out for the 3 lights. Pulled them through, and I secured them with the included hardware as well. Installing the hood bulge was easy. It all clips back into the same place. To reinstall the grille, just put it back in the same way. Then once you reinstall the grille, secure the clips and then rebolt the 4 bolts on the top. With the install being done, here's the before, here's the after. Whether you're going for that TRD Pro look or just want to stand out on the road, this grille does the job. Big shout out to KOK Auto Parts for the quality on this grille insert. I'll drop the link in the description if you want to grab one for your Tundra. If you enjoyed this install, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Tundra mods, and let me know in the comments what upgrade we should do next.